In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and save Canva presentation or PowerPoint file. By the end, you'll have a clean PowerPoint version of your design saved to your computer, ready to present, share, or edit in Microsoft PowerPoint. Start by opening the presentation you want to export in Canva. Make sure you are inside the editor with your slides visible. This ensures Canva knows exactly which project you want to download and that any recent changes are included. Next, look to the top right corner of the editor and click the Share button. In Canva, share is more than just collaboration. It's where all export and download options live. If you don't see it immediately, expand your window or scroll slightly so the button becomes visible. Inside the Share menu, click the More option, which is represented by a 3 dots icon. This expands the full set of export choices beyond the quick actions. It's a handy way to access file types that aren't shown in the first row of options. Now, find the PowerPoint option. You can scroll down to the Save section or use the search field within the menu and type PowerPoint. When you see the Microsoft PowerPoint icon, click it. Canva will prepare to export your file in PPTX format, which is the standard for modern PowerPoint. Most text, images, and layouts translate well. Some advanced animations or effects may render differently in PowerPoint, so it's good to be aware of that when designing. You'll be prompted to configure the download. Choose whether you want to export all pages or only specific pages. This is especially useful if you are sending a trimmed-down deck or just need a subset for a meeting. Select the pages you want, then click Download. Canva will process the file and you'll see a progress indicator as it generates the PowerPoint. Once the download completes, the file is automatically saved to your computer's default Downloads folder. That's the standard behavior for most browsers and operating systems. If you are unsure where that is, check your Downloads folder in your file manager. From there, you can rename the file to something descriptive and place it in your preferred project folder, so it's easy to find later. The file extension should be PPTX, indicating it's ready to open in Microsoft PowerPoint or compatible apps. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.